Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a Hungarian donut, a homemade bread filled with dough that melts in your mouth. It's soft and fluffy. You've never eaten this pasta. Made in just 10 minutes, quick and easy, you can't resist. Let's start by adding 250 ml of warm water to the basin. Then add 250 ml of warm milk. Then add 8 tablespoons of sugar. Now let's mix very well until all that sugar dissolves. Once that's done, we're going to add 7 tablespoons of oil, then add 2 whole eggs. Also add half a spoon of salt. Now let's mix very well. Then add 2 packets of dry yeast. Each packet contains 10 grams. Now let's mix to hydrate this yeast. If you like easy and delicious recipes like this, leave it in the comments below. I love easy recipes. Now let's add a kilo of wheat flour. Add the wheat flour little by little and mix very well, just like you see. Now our dough is already heavy. Now we are going to knead this dough for approximately 10 minutes. And it will have this consistency, a smooth and soft dough. Here it is perfect. Now just roll it up like this, cover it, and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the filling for the Hungarian donut. Here, I have 200 grams of grated coconut. Next, I will add 3 spoons of butter. Also add a cup of sugar and mix very well. It will look like this. Set it aside. Here, the dough has already doubled in size. Now we are going to remove the air, so it can return to the beginning of fermentation. Then spread a little wheat flour on the table. Then add the dough to the table. Now let's divide it in half. Reserve one part of the dough. With the other part, we will open it like this. If you are enjoying our recipes and want to continue receiving more recipes like this, leave me in the comments below. Now let's add our coconut filling that we just prepared. We will spread it very well throughout the dough. Now, just roll it up like this, and if you got this far, leave it in the comments below. Which city are you watching us from? I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now cut the Hungarian threads 2 fingers thick, like this. Then add it to a pan greased with a little oil. Here we will cover and let it rest for approximately 30 minutes. When it rests, you will brush the egg yolk on top and place it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. Here when I looked, it wasn't recording, but just follow what I'm saying and everything will be fine. Then add condensed milk on top. And then add grated coconut. And guys, look at this. Our Hungarian donuts are ready. They look wonderful, soft and fluffy. If you liked it, leave a rating from 0 to 10, which rating you give for this recipe. I'll stay here with a big hug and until the next recipe.